So this guy came to buy today, and it is very famous shop at Kopangatule. Please show the office. And if you want to buy something, there are available many things, pipes and house material you can buy. So what do you want to sell? Please tell us. So water heater is available in this.
How many prices?
This price is only 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees.
How many liters?
That's a 20 years guarantee, not warranty. 25 liter is available in this, and if it is broken, you can come at my shop and you can return it. Yeah. And do you wanna buy sir water tank? This is I have support company. It is very nice company. Pani ka bang. Seal of trust. You
How
can see
many layers,
sir, the seal of trust. It means
I
you
think
can
it
trust.
is.
Yeah, you can contact me and you can get always in fashion if you want to buy such a thing. Which one would you like to buy? Pipes and iron pipe?
Yes.
Some girls want to buy? Girls? You don't want to buy? Only you will buy sari and other things at their shop? Yeah. That 50,000 you have to pay at their shop, yeah? Yeah, you need that. The Prince pipe is available here. You can see Prince pipe. Do you want to buy this one, sir?
Yes, sir.
So one pipe is only 1600 rupees for you. Only 1600 rupees. You will get full pipe that is 20 feet long.
Yes.
20 feet long.
20 feet.
How many pipes should I pack?
I need 2 pipe.
2 pipe. Okay, sir. 2 pipe. Okay, so would you like to pay cash or online?
Online, sir.
Online. Okay, very good, very good.